now to understand how to create YouTube ads, we also should know why we should give more preference to video ads. Why is it important to learn the concept of video ads? Why? So let us get all the answers why you should do. Whenever you're doing any work, you should understand, why am I doing that? What is the benefit of doing that? Firstly, if you understand the mentality, more preference is given to video ads. Okay, if you also think, okay, we always say that image says more than writing. Okay, image says more than words. In the same sense, video says more than an image. Likewise, we should understand, guys, that a video can make someone understand more in a better way than an image or a text. So we should understand that if we want to make someone understand about our channel, about our business, then if we're advertising through the medium of videos, it would let that person know more about us. And videos, you know, if you think human mentality, videos help to connect more, okay? It helps to understand more. So, and always if you see, more preference is given to video ads. And secondly, second largest search engine is YouTube. So we have to use this platform also, because after Google, YouTube is the second largest search engine. Thirdly, 40% of global watch time. If you understand, if you know, then 40% of total global watch time is taken by YouTube. Okay, so YouTube add to 40% of the total global watch time. So 40% is a very huge number, guys. So we want to use this platform. This platform will help our business to boost up. We should take this 40% as an advantage and use this platform for showcasing our business. Then comes 100% increase rate. If you see the graph, okay, if you see all your years and now, then every year there is a 40% increase rate in internet use, in the use of YouTube. So it's a very big percent, guys. That is 100%. Every year 100% of increase rate is there in internet usage, YouTube usage. So the number of people are increasing day by day. So we should grab this opportunity and use this platform. Then comes 80% of internet traffic. 80% of internet traffic is taken by video ads. Okay, so 80% of internet traffic is grabbed by video itself. So video has a huge number of traffic, a huge number of competition. So you should take this opportunity. Then comes demand. There is more demand for video ads. But guys, do you think you're just going to make a normal video and it's going to work? No. There should be some animation, some graphics, something interesting, something new, something mesmerizing, something that is going to grab interest, something that is going to create curiosity. So you should grab all these opportunities. You should give them something, you know, some interest should be shown from your audience, so that your video works out. For that, you have to create something very good, something very different from others. So you are going to be there on this platform. So now I think you guys have understood why you should create video ads. What is the importance of creating video ads? Because 80% of traffic is there just on video ads. It's a huge number. Then YouTube is the second largest search engine. 40% of total global time is taken by YouTube. More preference is given to video ads. As we say, image says more than words. In the same way, video describes and says more than image. So you should grab all these things. You should understand human mentality, and you should try to create something that is going to be liked by others. In this way, we have understood why it is important to create video ads, because when we are learning anything, we should understand what is the benefit of doing that thing. So now we have understood what is the importance of creating video ads. Now let us move on to how to create all these things.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.